Hey guys, this is Tech from Tech Driven. Today I'm going to show you how to reset oil maintenance light required in a Toyota Tacoma. The car I'm working on is 2017 Toyota Tacoma, but it works across all Tacomas pretty much, and even most Toyotas. So to get started, while your car is off, go ahead and press the engine start stop twice. Wait for the screen to load up, and then go ahead and change your trip until it says trip A. Once that is done, click once to turn off your car, and then press and hold the trip reset. While you're holding it, go ahead and press the start stop button twice. The car should load up. You're gonna see a few stars there. Wait until they disappear. Voila, all done. Now that you have resetted your light, it's time to set up your reminders. Click on apps, then scroll down to the right, click on maintenance, and you can set your oil maintenance required reminder. So the usual amount is 5,000 miles, and the date I would just leave it blank. This should be done by a dealer, but most of the time they don't. And this is a good time to do other kind of reminders for rotation, oil filter, brakes and all, etc. That's something that dealers should be doing for you, but from my experience, they don't. Thank you for watching.